So let's fix our audio using the inbuilt tools on DaVinci. So let's dive into DaVinci Resolve to show you how it's done. Okay, so this is the audio that we have. So the very first thing is, let's go to the Fairlight tab. And all you have to do is, play with the built-in settings. I'm not going to adjust anything else. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is, under track effects, you can see something called dialogue level. Just turn this on and open the settings. I'm going to leave everything default. But if you think that you don't have much of background noise, you can turn this off. But in this example, I'm just going to turn this on and I'm going to leave it at default. Then I'm coming to dynamics, and under dynamics, it's so confusing. You don't have to do anything. There is some built-in defaults right here. Under this, I'm going to choose dialogue compression. This is a really good default. Also, this is a really good default if you have like a big background music going on. So in this case, I'm going to choose dialogue compression and I'm going to leave it as it is. Then finally, the EQ, I'm going to double click, and again under the plugins, I'm going to choose dialogue male lav finisher, this one right here. So you'll have an EQ curve that looks something like this. Now let's see the before and after by turning everything off, and then let's turn on one by one. Let me turn off everything. So this is what you have in the beginning. Just very quietly, the brown fox watched the lazy dog. He thought about jumping but decided against it, enjoying the calm morning air instead. The dog, unaware of the fox's presence, just kept dozing in the sun. As you can see, the EQ setting is the one that really brings in a difference. You can only notice the difference once you plug in your earphone to listen it. It's not going to sound like a big change, but subtle is the key. So you do these subtle adjustment, and with any mic, these 3 settings works absolutely fine. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Do try it out for yourself and you can notice the difference. So for those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.